How to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to back up WhatsApp on Android to Google Drive. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you simply need to note with the latest WhatsApp update, you can now back up your messages to Google Drive without using any of your storage space. So for that, you need to make sure WhatsApp is up to date. Launch WhatsApp and sign in, navigate to three dots at top right and tap Settings option. Now head toward the Chats option from the list and select Chat Backup option at bottom of the screen. Now you simply need to tap on Backup to Google Drive and choose a backup frequency. Select the Google account you want to use and you can easily tap Allow to keep WhatsApp access to Google Drive and tap Backup to start the backup process. Since I have done all the settings, if you haven't done, you can follow this step and back up WhatsApp on Android to Google Drive. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.